Thokozani bantwana bethongo, siyabingelela emakhosini amakhulu, sibingelele kogogo, sibingelele komkhulu, sibingelele kumathwasana. Siyathokoza kakhulu emakhosini. Kanza kwethu namhlanje umkhulu Makhosela ishoba lezitha uyafisa ukuthi sizokhuluma ngale ndaba yomndau, the umndau spirit. Kukaningi ke sikhuluma ngomndau, sizwa ngomndau, silalela ngomndau ey'nhlelweni ezahlukahlukene nasey'ndaweni ezahlukahlukene, and it has brought a very confusing concept ukuthi intoni umndau. And umndau spirit, what are we talking about? Are we talking about our ancestors abawumndau? What is umndau? Okay, sizoqala lana-ke nganza kwethu, sizoqala lana-ke bantwana bethongo. Umndau spirit is not an ancestor, it is a spirit lento esiyibiza ngomoya yamanzi, kuthiwa it is water spirit. The umndau spirit has a place of dominant, okusho ukuthi uzothola ukuthi uhlala kakhulu endaweni njengoMozambique and Zimbabwe, the coastlines ila kuhlala khona imimoya yemindawo. The reason why you don't find umoya womndau eSouth Africa is because there were no ships that took slaves overseas eSouth Africa. So imndau spirit, these are spirits akhalela abantu abaminza namanzi ngekhathi kuthathwa abantu bayo enslavwa phesheya. So labantu ababethathwa abanye babengafiki phesheya, abanye babefela emanzini. So these spirits now come back, and we have to understand lento ngokwe geography ukuthi you have abantu abahambile mebephuma ngemikhumbi base bafike bafela endleleni, mebefela endleleni bajika baye imimoya, abanye bangena emanzini. Now kwabanemfihlakalo ebakhona emanzini eyenza ukuthi abanye basurvive emanzini. Now le mfihlakalo eyenzeka ukuthi abantu basurvive emanzini kungenxa yezindlondlo zasemakithi nezingelosi ezazibekiwe emanzini to take care of abantu who were being misused by the government of that time. So what happens now ke ukuthi le mimoya ikhalela ukuthi isizwe sase-Afrika sivuswe. Ingakho uthola ukuthi umoya womndau usugcwele kangaka esikhathini esiphila kuso is because the spirit of our ancestors are crying. And mawuzoyibuka ngokwe geography, the Nguni people go up to Nigeria. That means ukuthi from South Africa, what we call South Africa now, KZN, kukhuphuka straight kuze kufike eNigeria. These are the same Nguni people that gave birth to us. So ke labantu laba, they try to connect back to us ukuzosivula amehlo ngolwazi nange-wisdom asebenayo nasebeyitholile ngesimo sokuthi baphelele emanzini. Abanye bathi beshona imimoya yabo yangalandwa, then it means ukuthi le mimoya yagcina idominate amanzi maseke sekuzaleka into ekuthiwa i-water spirit. Umndau umimoya yabantu abaphile emhlabeni, imimoya le engasiyona imimoya random, but imimoya embethwa amadlozi ethu. Now the ancestors work like this. Ayikho imimoya idlozi elingeke liphike as long as kumoya wake wafa wabuya wazokhalela ukusindiswa. Now what happens if upossesswa umoya womndau? Umoya womndau ukupossessa ngamandla amanzi. Akupossessa ngamandla amanzi, you connect through water. Umoya womndau connecta ngamakhandlela. Umoya womndau la kubanguni noma kubantu nguni kukhulunywa ngenjita, kukhulunywe ngebhayi ekuthiwa injita, ekuyilona bhayi lenjita leli elisikhonektisa ngemibala yalo nange-design yalo ukuzoconnecta nale mimoya. So ke umuntu uyabuza ke mkhulu, ngiconnecta kanjani nomoya womndau? Abanye bayawuparula, abanye bawufaka ey'nkambeni. Zihlukene izindlela zokwenza kwabantu ngokubulelwa kwey'godlo ezahlukene. Kodwa one of the main things ofanele uyenze in your journey yoku-connecta with your umndau spirit ukuthi fanele ku-understand ukuthi umundau the only place ongawuthola khona isemanzini. Now, umundau ke mkhulu, is it related to indzunza spirit? No, ayikho related to indzunza spirit, but they live in the same kingdom. Remember that indzunza, these are kings. And then mawukhuluma ngemindawo masikhuluma ngendzunza sikhuluma ngabantu abangakaze baphile emhlabeni, abangakaze idlozi lakho alikwazi kube indzunza, kodwa idlozi lakho liyakwazi ukumbathwa imimoya yezindzunza. Idlozi lakho futhi alikwazi kuba umndau, kodwa idlozi liyakwazi ukumbathwa umoya wemindau, umoya wamandau. Now ke uma ke sikhuluma ngamandau nenzunza, indzunza is a hierarchy if ukhuluma ngama-water spirits, and then umndau is less of indzunza, okusho ukuthi imimoya le esike yaphila emhlabeni eminye yawo, imimoya le esibizwa ngesizwe esithile phansi emanzini. So ke because of this experience abayi-experience-ile bagcina sebeswelekile ngendlela abasweleke ngayo, kodwa imimoya yabo yahlala emanzini, yamemeza emanzini. So one of izinto that are key to manifesting this power is that fanele uye emanzini, and mawuye emanzini ngani zakwethu awuyiphathi impepho. Mawuye emanzini awuphathi ama-fruits. Mawuye emanzini awuphathi ukudla okudliwayo. Umndau spirit uyakutshena ngeindlela ezahlukene ukuthi thina this is the way we want to connect with you, and it's going to be different kubantu abahlukene. Eminye imindawo izofuna iy'nkukhu, enye izofuna inkukhu ephilayo, enye izofuna inkukhu esibulewe, enye izofuna imbuzi, enye izofuna imali emhlophe, enye izofuna imali yephepha, enye izofuna amashampeyini, enye izofuna amawayini, enye izofuna imbewu, enye izofuna. So basically ziningi izinto ezifunwa umoya wemndau. Now, how to connect with it? You go to the river, awafaka amakhehlezi, ufaka amabhaya akho, or you go to the ocean, ufaka amabhaya enjida. When you ufaka amabhaya enjida, ugcoba icako elimhlophe. Mawufaka icako elimhlophe umzimba wonke, you make sure ukuthi when you go there, you kneel down, you chant, ubize iy'dalwa zakho, ubize iy'thunywa zakho, ubize umndau wakho. And then emveni kwalokho kuba khona indlela umelaphi akusiza ngayo nakulekelela ngayo ukuthi uphakamise le mimoya kuwe. Awuhambi wedwa, nishaye igubhu, niyabagidela, niyabadansela. You awaken the spirit, and when the spirit has awakened, whatever is going to take place there, you become alert, because kungenzeka umuntu enihambe naye angabuye emanzini. So into eniyenzayo, nithola ama-sesh, nenza sure ukuthi abantu babophene, nenza sure ukuthi abantu bayabambana, ukuze noma ngabe kuthiwa yini eyenzeke emanzini inga-affect ngale ndlela senizobuya ne-report yokuthi khona ongabuyanga. So the umndau spirit is a very deep conversation edinga ukuthi siyi-understand. Ayikho ke ngani zakwethu into ekuthiwa intwaso yomndau. Ngiyaxolisa ukusho lokho, kodwa baningi abantu asebeyenzayo nowadays intwaso yomndau. Intwaso yomndau, umndau is awakened, ukuvuswa komndau, ukulandwa komndau. They can't be intwaso kuthiwa nje wena wathwasa umndau kwaphela kanjalo. Intwaso ngani zakwethu iy'nkambi esizidlayo to awaken every spirit that we have. Umuntu uyakwazi ukuba nabalozi, umndau, amakhosi, yes, angikuphiki lokho. Uyakwazi umuntu wabe isango baba umthandazi, angikuphikisi lokho. But ayikho into ekuthiwa intwaso yomndau. Umndau needs to be awakened. uNkulunkulu anibusise, uyena umkhulu makhosela lo inyanga enkulu uMakhosi uHlophe. God bless you.